Hey guys, this is Lo here with PRIMAL Graphics, and today I decided to accept the challenge. So the challenge is putting on graphics on a set of graphics on a set of plastics. So we here at PRIMAL X often hear about customers having a difficult time placing our graphics into the plastics or onto the plastics, and I've always kind of pondered why, because really you just kind of have to match the graphics to the set of plastics, right? So shouldn't be too difficult. At least that's what I think. So today, like I said, I've accepted the challenge to see just exactly how hard this task really is. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the rear fender. So we're gonna start with the rear fender. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's what that pre-cut looks like, so that you can do that yourself. Just make sure that when you do that, just don't do it too heavy-handed, because you might actually cut into your graphics. So we'll just kind of get started. Alright. So when you start, your graphics should already have been cleaned off with an alcohol-based solution. So just make sure you kind of wipe that off, and that they're clean of any debris or dirt, so that your graphics can adhere to the plastics without any issues. Okay? Alright, so just match that. And just go over there. Looking at these little holes over here. Alright, so that's what we look like for the rear fender. Moving on to the other parts. It is definitely hot in here. Alright, so next is the radiator shrouds. So here we go. Well, first I'm gonna cut this off with scissors. Alright, so here we go. This, like I said, that doesn't go there. This one goes here. Just like that. Okay. Alright. See how this one plays out, huh? Does anybody remember playing that one game when you were kids? You had to match things and get them inside that little box with the star and the circle and the triangle. So I feel like that game should have prepped pretty much all of you in learning or figuring out how to do this. And if you didn't play that game, then let us know and maybe we'll send you that game. and there's a shower. We're gonna move on to the next one. Whew. Okay, let's see. Guys, so I didn't take my Adderall today, and probably should have if I needed to focus this hard. I take back everything that I've ever said on this being something easy. Alright, so that one did require some heat. So I'm going to have to just probably hit that up a little bit later. So I'll switch that up in a bit just to kind of keep this moving. But there's a second set of shrouds, and we'll move on. Alright, so we're going to move on to the number plates, and we're going to get started. Wait, hold on. Why am I still doing this? I have people who can do this for me. Alright, so in the end, I guess my final conclusion of, the reason for this whole challenge, it's not difficult. It's not the most difficult thing to put on graphics onto plastics. It's definitely not the easiest thing either. It definitely requires some patience, some commitment. Then, I think that you'll do just fine when putting on graphics onto plastics. If you kind of feel like you can't fully commit to a project for more than 30 minutes, then maybe getting a professional to do it is probably the route that you should go. Just know that our graphics are meant to last. When you get that on, we are excited that you are prepping. Until that, Primal X out.
Get hold of the Nintendo Entertainment System.
Today, call for the real.
New Kool-Aid coolers with 20% juice. You can...
The Transformers will return after these messages.